Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial for ELN Micro-Credentials. This video will walk you through each step towards earning your micro-credential and acquiring your digital badge. After you have searched and purchased your micro-credential, it will be assigned to you under My Learning. It will be listed as a program under the required heading and can be found by searching for the title. Once you have found the MC, click on the title to begin working your way through the program. After watching this video, the first step in the program will be a link to the corresponding online community where you can engage in discussion posts and resource sharing. Next will be a course that outlines the description of the micro-credential. From this page, you can click on the link to access the full MC document. After reading the description, click Continue at the bottom to navigate to the criteria page. After reading the requirements, you can download the self-analysis document that will be used by the assessor to determine approval of the MC. Click Continue to complete the first step in the MC process. Next, you will upload one of your artifacts and the self-analysis template at the pre-check to be reviewed by the assessor. The assessor will review one of your artifacts and give you feedback before you advance to the next checkpoint, where you will upload all of your artifacts to be assessed. It is important to upload everything at once, since after you click the Request Approval button, you will no longer be allowed to upload additional artifacts. You will also be notified if you have passed the assessment or if you need to try again based on the feedback provided. The final step is to complete the evaluation of the micro-credential program. This is a required step for all users, but especially important for Illinois users wishing to receive the ISB Evidence of Completion form for entering professional development clock hours, which will be emailed upon completion of the evaluation. If you have passed the assessment, you will automatically be awarded the digital badge for that micro-credential. You can access the badge by clicking on the Tools in the top navigation and going to My Credentials. From here, you will be asked to log into the Acclaim platform to retrieve your digital badge. If this is your first time accepting a badge, you will need to create an account on the Acclaim platform. Otherwise, log in with your username and password to access your micro-credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can see all of the micro-credentials you have earned. Click on any of these micro-credentials to access the Share button. And after clicking the Share button, you will be presented with all the options for sharing your new micro-credential with the world. You can share via social media sites such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Zing. And you can also share your badge via email, hyperlink, embed code, download, and printing of your micro-credential badge. This completes the tutorial for earning micro-credentials on ELN. If you have any questions or technical difficulty, please contact support@edleadersnetwork.org. Thank you.